So today you're going to learn how to remove the old brake pads and how to fit the new brake pads on a 2015 Kawasaki ZX10R Superbike. And it's one of the easiest jobs to do, which is pretty good.
You film what you like. They look amazing. Brembo. Best and best. That's a cap. So next time round, if you leave this one in place, undo the cap, then just crack this off gently. That makes sense. Yeah, see what I did there? Pulled on it to push the piston back in. Wow, that's a lot more material on the Brembos. Yeah, it's got to go in that groove. Yeah, is that looking good? Main groove?
I would say yes. It is important that you get the Brembo pads into the groove in the Kawasaki rear SuperBike caliper, because there's actually a cutout where the Brembo pads are supposed to go, but if you don't put the Brembo pads into those grooves on the caliper, what can happen is that the pad is not sitting properly, and it actually causes the rear wheel not to turn smoothly, and you get this judder in the rear wheel. So just make sure you do put it in that groove in the caliper, and the pad will be perfect, and the rear wheel will spin very smoothly, and everything will be fine.
You can just see where it's worn away the electroplated surface. Yeah. So definitely worth getting a new tin at some point. It's looking better already, right?
So this is a easy mistake to make, which is you might forget about this clip and forget to clip the clip back in. So don't forget that, to push the clip back in so that these two hoses are secure and that the sensor for the anti-lock brakes is secure. Yeah, once you've done this before, it's really useful that you do not have to completely remove the rear caliper to do this job. So you can do it while the caliper is loose but still in place, and that is big help. But you've got to make sure you get the new brake pads into the grooves so that they are biting the rear disc but not causing obstruction or interfering with the rear disc in any way, which is something that we found. Thanks for watching. But can need more coffee.